I have something for you flat. Yeah, okay. Toulouse is very
You have
hot.
to
He's
keep
coming.
it when we speak with you.
Okay.
You
He's not there. He's there next Wednesday.
Nothing. Just you can hear.
Yeah, yeah. Ah, okay. I'm also here, but we will do something. Okay. Yeah, I have to renew my cognac bottle. Okay. Yeah. Okay. 4 o'clock. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.
Armenian letter.
Now,
All these Dutch
now,
guys
Armen,
drink their cognac.
To go back.
I have a customer who, when he drinks, he feels better.
okay. Ashot Safyan,
Armen Arslanyan.
tell me please, what do you feel? What can you see in this painting? What is
When I look at the paintings, I'm lost, but there is some happiness in it. So
Nice.
you try to find out some things, and each one is different. Personally, I like the ones with the animals.
Animals, yeah. That's Africa. Yes, this. But what can you see this the form of
Each painting has its own focus. I don't know if the artist knows about it or feels that. But this painting, I see a man here dancing. This painting, I see the heart of somebody here.
What you see, I didn't see. Look, he discovered these things. I paint just lines. I paint just this is my new direction. I discovered 1988. In the art history, it does not exist in lineism. And I paint only lines and abstract. This is lineism, abstract lineism.
And this one,
Yes.
the first thing you see, what is it?
Yeah.
Is the letter E in Armenian.
Yes. You see, I didn't see.
Which means to be. E. Okay.
Yeah.
In tune.
Yes, of
Yeah.
course, Armenian letters.
Okay.
I'm Armenian, I didn't see Armenian letters. He is also Armenian, but he see. Yeah. And actually, these 4 paintings, this is 4 I have a series, this is 12 paintings. I just, in this moment, I show only these 4 paintings. This is series, the series of 12 paintings. The animals also, I have 12 paintings. I show here only this.
So let's ask the Hollander man
Holland.
what he sees.
Hank, what can you? But just a moment, can you stop? Because this is short, 3 minutes.